So we just arrived at Perhentian today in the northeast corner of Malaysia. We're doing the windmill hike past these really cool windmills and solar panels that power the entire island. And there's this awesome viewpoint that looks down over these crazy, crazy blue waters. Beach is actually crazy. I think our day has really turned around from this morning when we got off the boat with no money and nowhere to stay. It's one of the best places we've been so far.
Last night was pretty insane. So we have this mosquito net around us, and we woke up this morning with like dozens of mosquito bites, and there were about 12 mosquitoes just resting on the outside of the net.
You can see them. I think you can see all the dead ones.
It's so gross.
But for now, we're getting out of this scary mosquito place and we're gonna go snorkeling. We're going to Shark Point and Turtle Point, so hopefully there will be sharks and turtles, but I guess we'll find out.
So we just got back from our snorkeling trip. Those sharks are really sweet. They're so fast, and there's like a crew of fish just all eating a piece of bread. And this one shark was just slowly floating by and spotted them and then just darted in and ate one of them, and I got so startled. It was pretty cool though.
We're now at Coral Bay, which is on the west side of the island compared to Long Beach, where we're staying, which is on the east side of the island. It's been a pretty lazy day. Now we're ready to enjoy this beautiful sunset. The only bad part about this place is the trash. There unfortunately is a lot of trash. Sometimes the sand feels so good, you just have to rub it all over you.
What the hell? You know what they say, never stare directly into the sun.
Okay.